Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down in order to find proper section, which is I believe right here, so in the ringtones. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got it divided into two sections. Let's focus on this first one. This section is also divided between the first and the second SIM card, which is a quite cool option because you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for the second one. So let me choose, for example, the first one. Basically, the whole operation is the same in both. So after tapping on it, we'll be transferred to those phone ringtone, where we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones. At the top, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And the other option is right here, the music. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to the section where we can find all, for example, downloaded files from the internet or recorded. They should appear right here, and you will be able to choose them and set them as a ringtone. But let me choose something from those options, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So let me choose this one maybe, and of course volume it down because it is really loud. And this is how it works, so just tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. And let's pretend I want to use this gliss one. So make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call, specifically from the first SIM card. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.